Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the MegaT Shop Buttery-Soft Cotton Tee. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, try it on, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying.
All right, so as we get this out, it does seem pretty soft. I don't know about buttery soft yet. We'll try it on and make that distinction. Pretty standard cotton here. I do like that there is no tag there. There is a little slight tag here that we'll have to address. Pretty standard. It's almost a little creamy white, just so you know. There is a little bit of a logo down here, if that's a factor for you. Everything else kind of looks pretty standard. Stitching looks good. So we'll get it washed up and try it on and go from there. All right, so I got this through the washer, and fit is really nice, very comfortable. I wouldn't get carried away with the buttery soft kind of naming. It's a soft shirt, no question. I've felt softer, and that's why I say that. But it's certainly a great, great quality. Feels real nice. It's just, buttery soft might be a little bit of an exaggeration, but otherwise, it's a great looking shirt. It's perfect to wear something, underneath or just as a standalone shirt. Collar feels good. Arm length is good. Feels nice. I'm in a large. I'm 6'1", 165 pounds. Fits real nice. Belly button's here, waist is here. So totally worth buying to me. Hopefully this review helps. Thanks for watching.